Okay, so on the last question, you were just asked to make sure we know the conversion between meters and centimeters, okay? So you should have gotten 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And then hours to minutes, well, that's one we should already know by heart. It's not on our formula chart. So let's start with meters to centimeters, okay? It doesn't matter which one we start with, but that's just what I'm going to start with, okay? So I have meters on top. I do not want meters, I want centimeters. So since I want to get rid of meters, it's on top. We put it in the opposite position. It goes on bottom, okay? Meters. What do I want? Centimeters. So there was a direct conversion on our conversion chart, which was 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And if you look on the formula chart, that's what it says. It has the 100 next to the centimeters. So we're going to cross and cross. Okay, meters top, meters bottom. Now I have centimeters per hour. I want centimeters per minute. So we're actually halfway there. So the centimeters were good. Now I need minutes, right? Not hours. Well, hours is on bottom. So to get rid of it, we put it in the opposite position. Hours on top, which means minutes on bottom. And that's okay, because look right here. See that slash? Minutes is on bottom. We know that by heart. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay? Now, hours down, hours up. Those units cross out. So now when I look at my units, I have centimeters per minute. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Okay. So remember on the last question, one of the things I said when we find a relationship is I would always try to find a 0 if you have any. Those would be first. I have a 0 down and I have a 0 up. So I'm going to go on and cross that out. Okay. Now, there's more relationships than that because I know for sure I could divide that by 2 and that by 2. But let's just pretend that we don't see it. Okay, if we don't see it, well, I'm going to multiply 3.6 times 10 times 1. So basically 3.6 times 10. Now, if you want to multiply it out, you're welcome to do that. Okay, but when you multiply by 10, basically you're just moving that decimal 1 time. So on top, I should have 36. Okay, if you don't believe me, pause the video and multiply this out because you're going to end up moving in that decimal 1 time. Okay, so you should get 36. Then on the bottom, I have 1 times 6. Remember, that can be a 1. It is a 1, but it's just kind of understood. 1 times 6, I have 6. So that's improper. Oh, this is going to work out pretty good. 36 divided by 6, 6. So basically 6 centimeters per minute.